Welcome to our new session of Best English Grammar classes. As we have started a agreement of verb with subject. At first we have done is, am, are. Today we are going to start with was and were. It is the same as it is in present tense. Is, am, are. Is for singular, are for plural, and am for are. The same thing over is here, was and were. Was is for singular and were for plural. As we have done over there, this is for past tense we are going to do. The first sentence is most of the girls dash present. Now this means most of the girls, the number of girls are increasing and in good number. So we will write where. So most of the girls are plural. So we have put it over here where present. Second one is both the rooms dash whitewashed. Now both the rooms, both means both. There are two rooms and both the rooms are white. What it says. So what we are going to write? Both the rooms were whitewashed. Now next one is one of the workers dash killed in the explosion. Now what is it? Workers. We are not going to look at workers. Workers means it is a number of people. But we are going to see first word. One of the workers. According to this, there are so many workers, but one worker is killed in the explosion. So we will write was. Instead of looking over workers, we will look at one. Next one is the dacoit with his followers dash killed. Now dacoit with his followers means followers are many and the dacoit is only one, the leader. The whole leader is dead with his followers. We are not going to see at the followers, we are going to see the dacoit. Who has died? Dacoit is died with the dead is with the killed with the followers, with his followers. So we will have was killed. Each soldier dash present at his post. Now here it is soldier means army man. Every army man or every soldier is at his. His means why is singular. If you don't remember that this his is for one person. So you will simply write was. Each soldier was present at his post. Next one is there dash present Mrs. Day, Mrs. Jones in the meeting. Now who were in the meeting? Two persons, Mr. Day and Mrs. Jones. There are two persons. So we have got what we have to write? Where. There were present Mr. Day, Mrs. Jones in the meeting because they are two people. Next one is everyone of the boat's crew dash drowned. Now there is a crew means people in the boat which say working in the boat. There are so many people, but everyone, each person was killed. So we will write everyone of the boat's crew was drowned. Everyone was drowned. Several of these boys dash not able to do this sum. Boys and as well as the number is increasing. So many boys have not be able to do this sum. This sum is, so we will write several of the boys were not able to do this sum. Each man, woman and child dash vaccinated. Now we are vaccinated means everyone, each. One man, one woman, one child. Counting is like that. So we will put it each man, woman and child was vaccinated. If it is man, M-E and man, or women, W-E-N, or children, then we will write where. But now this is only one man, woman and child. It is talking about this, so we have written was. Gulliver Travels written by Swift. This is the name of a book. Name of a book, it is singular. So means it is written by, was written by Swift. The writer is Swift. This is the same word we have done in the present. Present and is and are. Now the same is in the past tense. Was and were. Was for one and were for many. I think what I have told you, you have understand it and you will be able to now do your work your own. So please, if you like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.